And for my people, wetin dey sup now? Wetin dey? The Super Eagles go dey take on the Eagles of Mali for today friendly match, and so we go dey expect the Super Eagles versus Eagles, for today game. And we see wetin Nigeria play for the last game, against Ghana. In the first half they were impressive, but the second half they were not as fluid as the first half. But I believe this game now, this is not the second game Finidi go to work with them. I expect them to come out and play better. I expect them to, come out and create chances, and if possible, score more goals than what they did in the last game. But for this game now, we go miss the likes of Osimhen, with a Boniface and Taiwo Awoniyi for this game. But that one don't mean say we will not see if he beat Mali without those guys. You understand? At least we both fit see, do one or two things without those guys. And they might just give them a small start, for this game. Nigeria man, they don't play 11 times. Nigeria don't win 6 times. They don't draw 3 times, and Nigeria has lost twice to Mali. But although the last time when we lose to Mali now, September 1975, when they beat us 4-1 for friendly match. But I not feel say they feel beat us now again like that too. I'm not sure. I'm not sure, but the last time they beat us now, 1975. Although we still meet, for 2013 AFCON, where we beat them 4-1 for semi-final, and we also still beat them for 2016. 1-0. Kelechi Iheanacho scored that goal that day for Nigeria. And for this game, we go also miss Kevin Bassey and Frank Onyeka. They no go there for this match. And the coach don't come and talk, say we could expect say it's likely say Uzo go replace Nwabali for this game. But Nigerians will not too bad to this Uzo of a guy. But I just hope say the guy does get confidence to do well for this game. And we also expect say Lukman and Sadiq Umar go replace Seri Desas and Kelechi Iheanacho for this game. So all in all, I just believe say we supposed to do the job against Mali for this game. Make I just allow now enjoy small footage of their training.
You should have ended your own training session since.
I no go mind you, sir.
Tinubu and im government don finally, invite Gumi for questioning. The Minister of Information, Mohammed Idris, don come and talk say Gumi no dey above the law. Say make he come explain the comments when in the yarn last week say make Tinubu no make the mistake when Buhari make. Say make he allow make he negotiate with bandits. Say he na among them. Every time go just dey come out dey yarn cho. Say make the allow make he negotiate. If you don't know them or you no dey with them, why you go dey come talk say na you wan negotiate between government and bandits? E come be like say he get hand for the matter. So government don finally invite am say make he come explain himself. You understand? If Buhari no fit invite am, at least make Tinubu do the needful, because all this nonsense supposed to do all this nonsense. People don tire for this nonsense when they happen for this country, insecurity and kidnapping. People don tire. Wetin happen? They come finally turn am to making money business. Na nonsense now. If they know say they get am for this matter, make they do something. Wetin happen sef?